Here we have the exhaust that came with my car when I bought it. The last owner actually mocked it up. It's Flowmaster exhaust. Not the prettiest of welds, but it'll do. No idea how it'll sound. We'll have to see whenever we get everything put together. Alright, now we're waiting on a custom dog bone mount so we can get everything else ready. And over here, got a custom aluminum radiator. And then we got our battery mounted in here. We didn't do this one, the last owner got it mounted in place, but it's pretty damn secure. We've got the exhaust sitting under the car. Doesn't look too bad if I say so myself. 3 inches around. Don't know how it'll sound. It'll be loud though.
All right, let's try this one more time. Go for it, Mr. Logan.